Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Robinhood account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you want to change your username on your Robinhood account, go click open a web browser and get logged into your Robinhood.com account first. In the web address bar, type in www.robinhood.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure to enter your credentials correct and get logged into your Robinhood.com account. Once you're inside your account, click on the account button located at the upper right hand corner of the screen. Now click on profile from the expanded pop-up menu. Right at the top, you'll be able to see your username displayed on the screen. Click on the edit profile button right next to it in order to open up this pop-up menu. You can now go ahead and change your nickname or your username. You can also select the theme of your choice by clicking on this themes option over here. Let me quickly go ahead and change my username. Simply erase the username and type in the new username that you want to change to and click on save changes at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you'll need to enter your password for your account. Make sure to enter the valid password so that it makes sure that it is you who's trying to make a change on your account. Click the continue button after you are done, and there you have successfully changed your username for Robinhood account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.